Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. We were originally planning to make a video on how someone could become financially independent, but while researching for that video, we were surprised by the amount of misinformation out there about what it really means to be financially independent. So, we decided to pivot and first make a video explaining what financial independence actually is by talking about what it is not. This video is going to be a bit shorter than our usual ones, as we're trying to keep it short and sweet this time. If you like these kinds of videos, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Now, let's roll. In the simplest terms, financial independence means having enough passive income to meet your living expenses for the rest of your life, even if you stop working. Since living expenses vary greatly from person to person, someone with very low expenses might be financially independent despite not being rich or wealthy, and vice versa. Hence, financial independence cannot be considered an indicator of one's wealth. If someone has huge savings but hasn't invested that money to make it work for them, it will be very difficult for them to achieve financial independence. This happens due to two reasons. 1. Inflation slowly eating away the value of their savings each year. 2. They themselves spending their savings to meet living expenses, which eventually results in running out of money. That's why it's very difficult to achieve financial independence by just saving money. One needs to invest their savings in financial instruments that provide inflation-beating returns, so they can live off the returns without touching the original capital. That's what truly makes someone financially independent. A lot of people use the words financial freedom and retirement interchangeably, but in reality, most financially independent people don't stop working. Instead, they stop doing things just for money and start doing things they're passionate about. They may work on projects that make them happy, give them satisfaction, and sometimes even monetize their passions while enjoying what they do. So, financial freedom is definitely not synonymous with retirement. Instead, financial freedom is all about gaining the power to live life the way you want, working with the people you want, and doing the things you love. We hope we were able to explain what financial independence is, by clarifying what it is not. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, have a good one, guys.